tense, sometimes quiet. Amelia, what have you been seeing?
There, Steve. Well, when the jury actually got the case, so the jury started deliberations at 10:52 this morning and deliberated through lunch, returning a verdict just before 2 p.m. The jury spent a total of 3 hours deliberating and returned the verdict guilty of murder. I was outside the courthouse when that verdict was returned. You could hear some gasps from the large crowd that had gathered outside, some outcries, and some people simply stayed silent, just processing the information. The jury then headed right into the punishment phase of the trial. They heard from 19-year-old Karmelo Anthony's mom. She was the only one who took the stand in the punishment phase, and she pleaded with the jury for mercy. The jury spent a total of 2 hours and 20 minutes deliberating the sentence. The jury sentenced Karmelo Anthony to 35 years in prison with the eligibility for parole after half the time served, which would be about 17 and a half years, the age of Austin Metcalf when he was killed. When the sentence came down, people swarmed in large groups, many live streaming reactions of others on their cell phones. Some were very upset, visibly crying and talking about it. Others told me they believe justice was served with that sentence. After the victim Karmelo Anthony's family, including his, walked out of the room and into a large group. They made their way to their vehicles. There were some very strong words of emotions exchanged. We saw Anthony's mom hold up a heart in the window as well. Then just about 15 minutes ago, we saw the Metcalf family leave the courthouse. Emotions still running high from those who were here in the parking lot. Sheriff deputies helped them to their car. Now it's just media that's left. Collins Sheriff's Office is working to clear the parking lot. And again, media was allowed to stay here. A lot to digest as this very long day wraps up. For now, though, Steve, I will send it back to you.
That's Amelia.